Masasabi niyo bang ang presidente natin ngayon, di dahil sa kayo ang spokesperson niya, ang pinaka-strong na presidente ng ating bansa?
As far as I know,
Siyang pinaka, kumbaga, sa mga naging presidente, masasabi niyong ang puso niyo mas sa kanya naka-incline talaga.
ganito po, no? I grew up during the, I think Magsaysay. Who came first? Magsaysay Garcia. No? Magsaysay, I think.
Garcia? Di ba? Garcia.
But anyway, I grew up during those times. Mahal na mahal ng tao si Magsaysay.
Di pa ako tao nun.
Inabot ko yun. So, ano po?
Mambo Magsaysay.
Mambo. Okay, but anyway, kasi siya, he was really a man of the people. And then si Quirino, I think, was more elite, and si Carlos Garcia was more intellectual elite. So, meron naman sila kanya-kanyang no? But as far as I can remember, Mr. Marcos, of course, was there, and he's remembered for several things. No, pero after that, Mr. Roy, of course, Mr. Roy brought in the economic, yung perspective, no? Pero para sa akin po, well, all of them, siyempre hindi naman musbog na lang bigla si President. He is built upon all the achievements of all these people. So, ang masasabi ko po, pero he is the right person at the right time. He is what we need right now. Why? Because una-una, para sa palagay po, he is transformative president. He is transformative for both the Filipino mindset and also for the regional perspective. Na parang nagbago talaga yung geopolitics sa region natin. So, basically, he has been, the word is audacious, talagang ang tapang talaga na ginawa niya, not just tapang courage, but the will to actually act so that magbago yung takbo ng bayan at saka ng region. And I think that is, nobody has ever done that.
And that will bring me to my next question.
Opo.
Kasi po, hindi naman pwedeng ang presidente ay lumagpas na 6 na taon.
Opo.
Unless na baguhin natin ang konstitusyon or magkaroon tayo ng pag-iiba. Sa pagtatapos ng kanyang termino, harinawa ay matapos ng presidente ang kanyang termino ng maayos ang kanyang kalusugan at walang magiging problema at balakid sa kanyang panunungkulan. Sino ang nakikita ninyo na mas malapit sa pagpapatuloy ng naumpisahan ng ating presidente?
Wala pa ako opinion patungkol dyan. I'll just have to wait for the change in the structure in sa federalism. And then, pag nangyari po yan, then makikita natin yung mga the possibilities. Kasi at this stage po siguro, for the next stage,
Yes.
it won't be a question of personality. It will be a question of the right person with the right skill at the right time.
That is if magkakaroon na ng implementation ng federalism.
Which we hope.
Pero kung halimbawang andito pa din tayo sa ganitong presidential form ng government natin, we will still be needing another president.
Correct.
And having another president na hindi kagaya noong direksyon ni Pangulong Duterte, hindi din tayo makakarating dun sa next phase na yon na gusto nating
So what we want is somebody who will really bring that connection.
Yes.
Who will be a bridge. Na wala yung napaisang tabi rin ng ego. Because whether kahit sabihin nila, the president has set aside his personal ambition, any personal ambition regarding the matter. So somebody would also do the same thing.
May nakikita ba kayong gano'n?
Antayin na lang natin.
So wala kayong nakikita?
This stage na.
No, kasi wala pa eh. No? Kasi hintayin pa eh.
Opo.
Kung nakita na ninyo, hindi natin hintayin.
Ego,
Di ba?
tama.
Oo, di ba? Ganun.